holiday season. I bet you guys are tired as I am of eating the same old breakfast sandwich, right? I'm always eating the same breakfast sandwich. So today I'm going to show you a different way of cooking breakfast sandwiches. And if you made that chicken sausage, this is going to be the perfect recipe for you to cook your chicken sausage with, okay? So let's get started. See you in a minute. Okay, I already started my hash browns over here, and I'm cooking them with my egg ring, and it makes a perfect sized little sandwich. And everything is going to be the same size. My hash browns is going to be the bun for my sausage sandwich. And I'm going to put my egg in here, and I got my sausage links going here. These are the same ones I made the other day. And they smell amazing. Christmas time. Your kitchen should smell like this at Christmas time. Okay, let me get my egg going. A little bit of, I'm going to drop a little dollop of butter, and then slowly pour the egg in, the egg ring, so it won't leak out the bottom. And this is just one egg. And you can add cheese if you want to. Sometimes I add cheese, onions. Today I didn't feel like either one, so I'm just going to have just a plain old sausage and egg sandwich. Let that go for just a minute. Flip these over. Oh God, it smells so good in here. These are already set, so I'm going to remove the egg rings. Flip them over one more time. Oh, this is going to be so good. That didn't work out too well. What I'm going to do is just cut off all this, and I'm going to tuck it underneath. How about that? Good here. And we're done. And there's my breakfast sandwich. Ha. Bun of hash browns. And I think I can get, well, I'll put that one on the side. I'll eat that one on the side. How's that? Time to eat. Let's go. Grab your plate. There's nothing better than a sandwich made with hash browns. You got all your food groups in one sandwich right there. So definitely give this a try. This is a perfect little holiday football munchy time sandwich. And if you get tired of having bread all the time, just have you a different carb. Just make you a bun made out of hash browns. And here I'm drizzling a little tiger sauce on it, and that just really takes it over the top and takes it to next level deliciousness. It really does. But give this recipe a try. Your kids will love it. You will love it. It's easy, it's quick, and you'll make it all the time. And I'll show you how I made the other sandwiches too that you saw at the beginning. I made one with a waffle. I made two little waffles, and that was my bun for my sausage, my sandwich. So, there's always creative ways to make a sandwich. And if you made that sausage, the sausage is good all by itself. But you know what? You add something else to it, and it just, like I said, takes it to next level deliciousness. And I hope you all are having a safe holiday season so far. And do like the experts are telling you, do your shopping online. Don't go out to the stores if you don't have to. It's just going to be a madhouse out there. And you know what? It's okay to wait till after the madhouse is over with. I always do my shopping in January. That way I can catch all the sales and, don't have any pressure and all that stuff. So, you know what? Just do the right thing. Keep yourself safe. Keep your family safe. Keep your kids safe. Keep your mom and dad safe. And we're not out of the woods with this thing yet. So let's all just do the same thing and, try to get better. We have a new year coming up, and hopefully the new year will bring in something really good for all of us. Okay, so thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. That way YouTube will share my videos out to other people that like cooking videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be blessed, stay safe, and keep on cooking.